Welcome back to another video of Let's Learn Flight Simulator together, where you and I will be learning to fly together. As you read the caption, in today's video, I am going to be flying without fuel. I am 14 miles away from London Heathrow Airport on a Boeing 787 Dreamliner with Air India livery. Let's see if we can make it to the runway. You may have heard of glider aircrafts. Owing to their lightweight, they are easier to fly and control. But what about this massive jet weighing over 300,000 pounds? Historically, there have been many instances in past where aircrafts have run out of fuel mid-air, and a lot of them were able to land safely. Let's hope we can land safely as well. If you look at the ILS indicator, we are flying too high. I'm going to make a 360-degree turn to lose some altitude. I'm going to make sure not to go too low, as we can trade the extra altitude for the gain of airspeed as required. Any extra altitude or airspeed can be lost by a rapid descent or using spoilers. Also, we cannot afford any additional drag, so I'm going to avoid deploying flaps until I absolutely have to. Let's do a steady descent and make sure our airspeed is not dropping too much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please like and share. Also, if you are enjoying my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.